Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Time Sert kit. First, accurately identify the damaged thread and select the correct Time Sert kit for your specific repair. It is crucial to thoroughly clean the area, ensuring no debris or metal shavings remain. Before starting, gather all your tools, such as the drill, tap handle, and cutting lubricant, to ensure a smooth and efficient repair process. Preparation is key for a successful outcome. Next, use the specialized drill bit from your kit to enlarge the damaged hole to the precise diameter required. Remember to apply plenty of cutting oil to the Time Sert tap before you begin. Carefully tap the new threads into the enlarged hole. It is extremely important to keep the tap perfectly straight and perpendicular to the surface throughout this process to ensure the new threads are correctly aligned and strong. Now, thread the Time Sert insert onto the driver tool, making sure it is completely seated. For added security, apply a small amount of thread locker to the bottom threads of the insert. Carefully screw the insert into the newly tapped hole. Continue turning until the insert is flush with the surface of the material. This step ensures the insert is properly positioned and ready for the final expansion. Finally, remove the driver tool. As you withdraw it, the tool expands the bottom portion of the insert, creating a positive mechanical lock within the material. Allow the thread locker to cure fully, which usually takes several hours, to ensure maximum strength. Once cured, test the newly repaired threads with the original bolt. You will find a strong, reliable, and permanent thread repair, ready for continued use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.